Series.Unique vs list of set, performance. I have a pandas data frame with multiple columns. The aim is to find unique values in one of those columns. Two ways to achieve this are: get a list of set of that series, list, set, data, id. Get uniques using pandas' functions data, id.unique. In my trials, set method works faster. Is this true for most cases? Why and why not? Any other resources utilization implication? Please also add reasons to why either of them works better.
It will depend on the data type. For numeric types, pd.unique should be significantly faster. For strings, which are stored as Python objects, there will be a much smaller difference, and set will usually be competitive, as it is doing a very similar thing. Some examples.
It makes sense to use categorical type for the columns that have few unique values. Demo. Almost the same timing for 1m rows. Let's test category type. Update 500 unique values in 1.000.000 rows df. Conclusion: it's always better to time it on your real data. You might have different results.
The results seems to be varying highly on the number of unique entries. Here is some time testing on IPL dataset, deliveries. For column match_ID with 577 unique IDs, unique, seems to be very efficient. For column batting_team with 13 unique teams, list, set, slightly better here. Edit. Trying to test the string theory. Running the same tests on a string column batsman with 436 unique entries.
Yes, hold on. Please leave that in time.